Now let's look at the third type of computer under data handling, hybrid computers. We've already discussed analog and digital computers, but what happens when we combine the strengths of both? That's where hybrid computers come in. A hybrid computer combines the features of both analog and digital computers. It accepts analog input, which means continuous physical data, converts it into digital form, and then processes it with high accuracy using digital systems. In simple terms, it takes real-world measurements like an analog computer, but processes them accurately like a digital computer.
Characteristics of hybrid computers. Let's examine the main characteristics of hybrid computers.
Accepts analog input. Hybrid computers can receive continuous physical data, such as temperature, pressure, heartbeat signals, or speed. Converts to digital for processing. The analog signals are converted into digital signals, so the computer can process them accurately.
Produces fast and accurate results. Because of digital processing, the results are both quick and precise.
Examples of hybrid computers. Now let's look at practical examples.
Medical diagnostic systems, such as ECG and CT scan machines. Aircraft control system.
Uses of hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are commonly used in areas where both speed and precision are essential. In healthcare monitoring, they track patient data such as heart rate and blood pressure in real time. In industrial automation, they monitor and control machines and production systems. In scientific research, they help analyze complex experiments involving physical measurements. In military and aerospace systems, they are used in navigation, defense systems, and aircraft monitoring. They accept analog input, convert it to digital, and produce fast, accurate results. Hybrid computers combine the features of analog and digital computers. Thank you for listening. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the course content to help others benefit as well.